So I added a bit of information to this problem just to make our answer come out pretty, right? But we're told that the function is even and continuous everywhere on the interval -3 to 3. So even is telling us it's going to be symmetric. All right, let's go ahead and take our information from the problem. So first we're given 3 points. We're given 0, 1. We're given 2, -1. And we're given the value that I gave you, which was 3, 0. So what I want us to do is go ahead and plot this graph, and then we'll go back and answer A through B. So we've got the points 0, 1. Let's plot these. 2, -1. And 3, 0. All right. So at 1, our first derivative is undefined. Undefined, and our second derivative is undefined. So remember, that can occur at a cusp, a vertical tangent line, or corner, asymptote, anywhere we're discontinuous. So we'll just make this, since it's going to be positive y value and negative, oh, I missed a point, 1, 0. Positive y values, negative, which means decreasing, positive, which means concave up. This is going to be kind of a bend that's going to make a cusp for us. Our first derivative is 0, and our second derivative is 0 at 1, which means that we're going to have a potential critical point, a critical point and a potential inflection point. Then we continue decreasing. So we've got a critical point, and we switch to concave down because our second derivative is negative. So got something like that. Then we once again have an undefined derivative and second derivative, so this is going to be pointy there. And we have from 2 to 3, negative y values, positive second derivative, so we're increasing, and negative second derivative, which means concave down. So since it's symmetric, I can go ahead and make the mirror image. And since I have those pointy pieces, it satisfies my undefined derivatives at 0 and 2. All right, so find the x-coordinate where f attains its absolute maximum or an absolute minimum. All right, then state whether it attains them. So we've got x equal to 1 as our absolute max, right, because it's at 1, so that's our highest point overall. Absolute min, we have 2 points that are at -1, so we don't have 1 point that's our absolute min. Find the x-coordinate for each point of inflection, so that's where we're going to change concavity. We only change concavity at 2 points. That would be at -1 and 1. I'm sorry, absolute max isn't at x equals 1, it's x equals 0. All right. And then we've got our sketch already, so it's all good in the hood.